In AutoCAD 2010, we now have a new Measure Geometry tool. It's on the Home tab in the ribbon, and it's in the Utilities panel here, and it's here, Measure. When you click on Measure and come into the drawing area, you'll see that you get the option there to measure a distance, a radius, an angle, an area, or a volume. So let's have a look at distance there. I can measure a distance, let's say, from this point here, left click, to this point here, left click. It gives me the distance, you'll notice there, but it also gives me the option to change the distance that I'm measuring, or the object that I'm measuring. So I can go to radius, and I'll select this radius here, and it tells me the radius of that arc or circle. I can go to angle, and it will prompt me now to select the arc, circle or line. If I select that arc there again, there's the angle, 90 degrees. If I want to measure an area quickly, I can click in there, and it'll ask me to specify the first corner point. Let's quickly zoom in on this bathroom here, and I'm going to just quickly go round using object snaps, just round here like this, and as you can see, I'm just quickly going around the edges of the walls there, to there, and then back to there. There's my area there. So if I now press enter, it tells me the area of that bathroom and the perimeter that I've gone round. I can also measure volumes, but I don't have anything that has a volume capacity because I'm working in a 2D drawing. So what I can do there is I can exit, and that brings me out of the Measure Geometry command. Now what I like as well is I've got two areas I can click on. If I click on Measure, I've got this option here. So let's go for Angle, and I'll measure this line here and this line here, and obviously the angle is 90 degrees. But if I exit that now, look, it stays at angle here, so I've just got to click on angle again, and I can measure that angle there, for example. So it remembers the last setting that you used. If I go to radius there, and I measure the radius of that there, as you can see, it's a radius of 600. If I exit now, so as you can see, it's got radius there, and when I click on it, it asks me to select the arc or circle, so I select the arc there, and it gives me a radius, and I exit that again, and you'll see it remembers that radius there for me. So as you can see, the Measure Geometry tool is extremely useful when it comes to measuring information and obtaining geometric information on your drawing.